There is RJ. Where are you now? RJ. RJ, you see me? There he is. And there is Daddy driving. Daddy. What you doing, RJ? Okay, we'll drive around here. In Agdon. Okay, I flip to the road.
What do you want? Buffalo Wild Wings? To go?
No.
We had a 10. 10:15, 10:30. Yeah, it was 10:15.
Okay, we're here now in highway.
Riverdale Highway. Riverdale Drive.
We have Nissan there. There is the mountain there. Okay, we go to Wyoming now. We go now in Yellowstone.
Are we close back? I don't know.
Just joking. We're not go there. Here is the view.
So all those lights going crazy. That's because the anti-lock braking system. Because the tire was removed, it messed everything up, and it just took a couple days to reset itself.
That's why.
But by the time I got it there, it was already reset and working. And look, it's a family. They all hold hands.
Yeah, see, look
Twins.
at that, RJ.
Those twins.
We just hope not want to go in the road, RJ.
No, because they're yellow.
Here we are,
Yeah.
Ogden, South Ogden. Beautiful view.
Here is the mountain there.
Look at all the stickers on this car.
My
Can't see out the back
goodness.
window.
Yeah, so many.
Everybody buckled in?
Yeah.
Go look at that new townhome subdivision.
Okay.
Right up there.
Okay.
We get some options in here. Cost you $350 for a townhome in here.
There you go.
That's a townhome loaded up with options. $350.
Wow.
You like?
Come home.
Wow, look
here.
at all the garbage pails there.
So many, huh?
Take you 2 hours. The garbage truck got to pick up every one. Every 2 feet.
Yeah. Look at this.
Shadow looks strange in that door. $350 for a fully loaded.
Oh, how about they're not yet done here?
20 new home sites available.
Wow, so long there. Look there.
It's all the way up. Phase 2.
But this. A new house there too.
That's what I was talking about. The size of it. Up on top of the hill.
There is Chick-fil-A.
Right there, Chick-fil-A. My name is Betty. May I please donate your order?
I'd like to get the grilled, and then also want to get the 8-count chicken nuggets. The grilled nuggets, 8-count.
Okay.
And then another order of a 12-count.
The grilled or original?
Grilled.
Okay. Any sauces or condiments?
The Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay, that would be $17.65 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
There is.
Okay, thanks.
Mommy, Daddy.
There is Chick-fil-A.
Don't pinch that. The sand will come out. If you make whole.
want to see more.
Okay.
We got enough hamburger, right?
We go home now. Yeah.
You okay? Are you okay, Daddy? I'm rolling you over. Are you okay?
Okay, yep.
I'm rolling over.
There is Chick-fil-A. What's your door, Jay? What you playing?
Yes.
That's it for today. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. RJ, say bye-bye, RJ. Bye, RJ. What you doing, RJ? Okay.
Look at that.
Bye now.
Look at the size of that house.